Let's begin.
Part 1. The morning routine. Let's start with the first part of the day, the morning.
Our first sentence is, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now listen and repeat after Anna.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Excellent work. Let's do the next one.
My alarm clock rings.
Your turn. Repeat the sentence.
My alarm clock rings.
Wonderful.
I turn off my alarm.
Listen and repeat.
I turn off my alarm.
Great job!
I get out of bed.
Now you say it.
I get out of bed.
Perfect! After getting out of bed, many people go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
Listen and repeat.
I go to the bathroom.
You're doing very well.
I wash my face.
Your turn.
I wash my face.
Fantastic!
I brush my teeth.
Repeat after Anna.
I brush my teeth.
Very good. Now let's talk about getting dressed.
I get dressed.
Your turn to speak.
I get dressed.
Well done.
I put on my clothes.
Listen and repeat.
I put on my clothes.
Excellent. Next is breakfast, the first meal of the day.
I make breakfast.
Your turn.
I make breakfast.
Great.
I eat cereal for breakfast.
Repeat after Anna.
I eat cereal for breakfast.
Wonderful job.
I drink a cup of coffee.
Now you try.
I drink a cup of coffee.
Perfect. Finally, it's time to leave for work or school.
I leave the house at 8 a.m.
Listen and repeat.
I leave the house at 8 a.m.
Fantastic. You have now completed the morning routine.